Hey everyone, this is WarStory video blog, and I will show you items that I just received. Three packages I received recently, and we're gonna open it. This one is like a few minutes ago. I sold it on eBay. This is a nice ammunition box from Japan and from Pacific Theater. And this one is also war souvenir because you can see here American address on this particular box. I really like it, so I just sold it. So I can open all three boxes and I will show you stuff that I just received. This is one piece from envelope. This is original skull with eagle from the headgear, and you can see this is a Totenkopf one with original insignia material. And this particular piece already discussed on the forum, so you also can check it on the forum. It's 100% original. I really like it. I'll put it on my alexmp.com. Another package is domestic. I bought it maybe a few days ago just to put it on my website also. And let's take a look what's inside. It should be like a couple of helmets. So two tags we can see here. It's pretty nice. And let's open it. I don't want to cut it because I'm gonna reuse those bags. I like it. I like them. So two helmets we can see here. This one is M35 with eagle with some traces of worn, and there is a button or like clamor missed here on the back side, but it looks it was not here for a while. And another one is a little bit cheaper. We also can see there is no one clamor or button. I probably gonna buy it. It's not too expensive, and just add it here for free. But this one is gonna be a little more like cheap. But anyway, it's two original helmets, and it's gonna cost like way lower than minty ones. For example, I have this one in my collection. Probably also gonna sell it, but this one gonna cost maybe 3-4 times more expensive than those ones. But anyway, for any helmet, there is a customer or client or collector, if price is right, correct? So this box came from Europe with really nice items, and let's open few of them. I cannot promise you open everything, but let's start with this piece. This is edged weapon, and this is a bayonet. And bayonet is pretty scarce. You can see this is a Luftwaffe etching here, and this is Karl Icahn classic one. Karl Icahn bayonet in really nice condition with Karl Icahn scabbard, with Karl Icahn button without the line here, and I really like it. It's in nice condition. Few more pieces. Let's take a look because I cannot open everything today for sure. It looks like shields. Yeah. Yes. This is a Zemyansk shield, and some more pieces also here. This is a Narvik one. Narvik in really good condition. Another one is the medal. Another piece, also the part of collection of shields. This is a cream one, 1941, 1942. Couple more or one more? Yeah, Kuban. No, one more cream also, and you can see on the back original green liner here on the background. So what else? And everything I'm gonna put on my website, and some of the items without swastikas I want to put on the eBay also. eBay, also alexmp.com. I'm selling items there also because people know me. So this is also a very interesting experience to publish items there. Another few pieces. This is a medal and two badges. This is a party badges. This one is Iron Cross, second class, classic one. And usually people want to buy them even if they're not like a big collectors. But anyway, another one is a ribbon bar, and ribbon bar is 4 medals, and you can see the main one is Iron Cross second class, and also we can see here the cross of the First World War and Red Cross also. Other lot is that I bought. Yeah, this is a Kriegssieger, and you can see here Hitler Youth Diamond also. This is a Kriegssieger 1938, which is not too common. This is für Treue Dienst in der Polizei. This is a police cross, and you can see it in gold. Also in nice condition, but it needs to be, just need to put more, like a ribbon, original ribbon on top of it. I have ribbon somewhere, so that's why I bought it. Another one, this is a army, like assault. This is an infantry assault badge with just a K98 on it. Oh, we can actually open everything. Another one is also infantry assault badge. And a couple more badges. Yeah, infantry assault with the restoration here. That was cheap, and it's gonna be cheap, but from the front side it looks okay. And another one, you can see this is in untouched condition, in really good condition with original everything on it. Couple more pieces. This is an original miniature of the Krim Shield, and this is not the smallest one. This is, you can see it here, this is not the smallest miniature, because it's like quite big. Sometimes it's like half size of this size. Luftwaffe Krim Shield, and Luftwaffe, we can tell it because of the material, like fabric on the back. I really like it with original background. Few more badges also. Only one knife in this package, but so many medals and badges. I remember I bought it, and I'm happy it now here, everything in my hands. This is this original set of First World War wound badges in gold, in silver, and black one. So this is a 3 classes of it, and this one has original like a price on the back side, and I really like it. And I also can put it on eBay because of no swastikas and nothing here to restrict, no restriction for this type of items. I created mess behind of me, but anyway, this is a party. Let's open this guy. Oh, it's a marine, what is it, cuff buttons, marine brocade. Another one, and this one is really nice. This is a Schleswig-Holstein battleship, which is very historically important. Also Schleswig-Holstein, another one. This is a matros for, like, how to say it, like Donald Duck cap tails, so which is really interesting. I hope you guys excited to see everything, and let me know what you like better, and I can show it to you closer, and we can just make a video about something. Only one knife here, a couple helmets, and I gonna publish as soon as possible to alexmp.com and to eBay alexmp/com also. So thank you guys for watching this video until the end. This is experimental format, and let me know how do you like it. Have a good one, and see you real soon.